So, not long ago, AI meant assistants that could write faster and summarize better and answer questions. But, that was sort of the age of 20% and 30% productivity gains. It was valuable and kind of amazing, but really only the beginning. Now we're deploying Agentic AI, autonomous agents that plan and reason and execute and adapt and close the loop. And agents are not something you just simply bolt on to your legacy systems. That's not going to get the optimal results. They are digital workers. They have memory and credentials and access and the ability to take action. And this requires a new architecture for work itself. Trusted data and governed action and infrastructure close enough to be able to make real-time decisions. The old systems and processes and the pace of decision-making from the past are no longer enough. And it is time to completely rethink and reimagine your company's workflows for agentic automation and for recursive self-improvement. And that is going to lead us to gains of 20 and 30 times in terms of productivity improvement. So who gets there first will rapidly distance themselves from all the rest. And the companies that do not become agentic AI-driven businesses, I think they'll struggle to survive. There is a massive AI investment boom that's already underway, and a productivity boom is beginning. And in some companies, including ours, see you, David, it already has. The rate of change has gone parabolic, and it's not slowing down. This creates monumental opportunities, and it also creates new responsibilities. The agents have credentials. They have access and autonomy. Security must expand beyond the human users to also govern the non-human workers operating at machine speed. If a bad actor can influence an agent, or if an agent is trained on bad data, the blast radius is no longer contained to just a single system. It can propagate across all of your workflows and your infrastructure and, in fact, the business itself. This is already changing the boardroom conversation. It's not just, are you secure, but do you understand what your systems are doing on your behalf? You can't protect what you can't see, and you can't manage. So we give you visibility and control no matter how fast these threats are evolving. Zero trust principles keep you adaptive and resilient and are built in from the endpoint to the core. Speaking of the endpoint, you can see this into the deepest layers of the PC with our Dell Trusted Device platform. You can store the key credentials, in fact, the keys to the kingdom, if you will, in Control Vault, so that only authorized identities, whether they're human or machine, have access to your systems. Agentic AI is only as good as the data that it can trust, access, and act on. And if your data is siloed, your agents are blind. They can't deliver the value that you expect. Everyone has access to the same models. The differentiator is your data, the unique, proprietary, hard-won knowledge inside your business. The agents are hungry for your data. Now imagine tens of thousands of them, going to millions of them, running 24/7, thousands of times faster than any person. The Dell AI data platform with NVIDIA has been engineered to address the data bottleneck. Within the platform, the data orchestration engine is the intelligent control center that turns that raw, fragmented data into production-ready AI. You can transform and query your data with NVIDIA's close to now 1,000 models and Q2X libraries integrated natively. And you get 12 times faster vector indexing, 6 times faster data querying, and 19 times faster time to first token. And we keep pushing the limits of what's possible. Today, we're super excited to announce that we're working with Starburst to enhance the analytics engine with NVIDIA, with their Vera CPUs for 3 times faster SQL, and with Blackwell GPUs for 6 times faster SQL. Leading institutions like Bank of America, who already have a partnership with Starburst, NVIDIA and Dell Technologies, are going to be able to use these new capabilities to support AI-driven analytics while meeting their important governance, regulatory, and resiliency requirements. And for extreme scale AI and high-performance computing environments, we're introducing Dell Exascale Storage, a unified rack architecture supporting PowerScale, ObjectScale, PowerFlex, and the Lightning file system. Exascale is a 4-in-1 storage platform built to deliver up to 6 terabytes of throughput per second per rack. Now, we all know that AI devours data, and our family of unstructured data solutions, including PowerScale, ObjectScale, and the Lightning file system, the fastest in the world, are being deployed extensively by thousands of customers around the world, including some of the AI native companies like CoreWeave and Nscale, Iron, FluidStack, Boostrun, and many others, and many other leading firms that demand incredible performance like McLaren Racing, Hudson River Trading, Quadrature, 2 Sigma, Optiver, and many, many more.